Before we dive into the FILECOIN cost expectation, let us see 2.66 some of the novel highlights of FILECOIN. Today the web is a definitive ruler. World over, a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the wellspring of the information isn't veritable, or the information for the most part isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Understanding the meaning of an organization that could be completely trusted for security and capacity, FILECOIN was created by Convention Labs. Joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain, this interesting stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on numerical calculations. FILECOIN, the vision. As an open-source, public, cryptographic money, FILECOIN is a computerized guide made with the really essential target of blockchain-established information capacity and recovery. The credit of beginning of FILECOIN goes to Convention Labs and expands on top of the interplanetary record framework, which works with clients overall to genuinely free up and lease the unutilized space and hard drive. FILECOIN network truly has exceptionally made its digital money FIL for brokers and financial backers, as well as establishments, permitting them the office of exchanging on really different trades and helping them from cost accelerations. FILECOIN adapts client data, and the one-of-a-kind trait of FILECOIN essentially is that it is totally decontrolled with no guideline in the background. FILECOIN elements, what stands separated? The whole environment of FILECOIN moves around 3 points of support that end up bridling the computerized resource FIL. The primary substance is the client, who fundamentally are responsible to, in every practical sense, will generally share information of a particular document and capacity alongside an expense. Then, there are diggers who are at risk to store the in every way that really matters, previously mentioned information, and furthermore relate subtleties on how fundamentally much space, all things considered, is accessible on the hard drive, which they can sort of additional proposal to clients for use in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, to profit from the really ideal use of hard circle space, turning into a digger, it is an essential that you hold your opening, or so they thought. When the excavator has left the documents, especially sent by the client guide on the blockchain, it won't be encoded incredibly. This essentially is one of the most urgent tasks of the FILECOIN stage, which is very huge. FILECOIN was sent off in August 2017 by Convention Labs and bussnies. It really has been exceptionally dynamic in raising more than $200 million just in somewhere around 30 minutes of send-off. January 2018 saw the most elevated acceleration in FILECOIN cost to $10.30. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going, sort of lengthy, and tumbled to $10.04. By November 2018, the cost of FILECOIN, FIL, arrived at a lower $09.20 until June 2020. The FIL cost just showed a negligible recuperation of $12.10. Nonetheless, the exhibition of FILECOIN in the year 2019 was shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the FIL value shot to $19.35. The specialized examination of FILECOIN cost shows a significant flood supported by FILECOIN development, notwithstanding the unfavorable market patterns. Contending with partners like Heavenly and Ethereum, the FILECOIN, FIL, cost has reflected impressive development. By end of 2022, the cost of FILECOIN will be $22.315, with positive thinking approaching essentially huge incoming not many years between $22–38.43. Following 1 year, FILECOIN cost could go down to $1.282. As per Redditors, in the long haul, the especially token might have a huge fan following, bringing the FILECOIN, FIL, cost to $42 by 2025. FILECOIN value forecast 2022. The FILECOIN cost is estimated to reach $19.51 by the start of 2022. The normal truly greatest cost on the potential gain is $27.12, and on the off chance that the FIL token denotes the downtrend, it might exchange around $23.94. FILECOIN value forecast 2023. According to the FILECOIN, FIL, cost estimate for 2023, the token could arrive at the most extreme cost of $31. Also, on the off chance that it couldn't figure out how to record a potential gain force, then according to help levels computation, the cash could exchange around the cost of $25.71. FILECOIN Value Forecast 2024. According to the drawn-out FILECOIN cost forecast, the FIL cost will arrive at new highs and could cross the $33.88 cost mark. Notwithstanding, on the disadvantage, the FILECOIN cost might exchange around its nearby help around $23.82. FILECOIN Value Expectation 2025. FILECOIN cost expectation and the specialized examination in every way that really matters, has been a gigantic errand for the best of specialists, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Defenseless for what it's worth to advertise feelings, another obstacle explicitly is the extreme rivalry traveled its direction in contrast with BTC and different Goliaths, which is very huge. While on a hopeful scale, the cost of FILECOIN might reach $46.24 that is basically anticipated toward the finish of 2025. The FILECOIN group should extend its viewpoints by getting more collusions a really significant way. An uplifting digital currency expectation for later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 shows that the cost of FILECOIN is ready for an astounding excursion, posting significant development by 2025. FILECOIN Value Forecast 2026. Like other cryptographic forms of money, FILECOIN also is to a great extent subject to verifiable information, volume, and market development. This quality truly makes FIL token even more unpredictable for design acknowledgement to settle on fitting speculation choices. Basically, specialists differ as they would see it over cost estimates about the commitments FILECOIN holds in the years to come. Thus the pace of FILECOIN cost change makes it exceptionally erratic. Nonetheless, it cannot truly be absolutely especially precluded that FIL might show predictable development after some time, and it will be productive to truly purchase FILECOIN for the especially long haul, which is very critical. The vision of FILECOIN stands tall and firm, following open source decentralized convention to provide clients with the benefit of extra room on a hard drive, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Leaving impressions on the innovative and utilitarian ecospace, FILECOIN sustains trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the clients overall simple. A sign assure in the whole structure of FILECOIN activity is protection. Having a firm traction setting a benchmark for Goliaths like Dell and Intel, it will have its own incredible adventure to abandon. Check here.